welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're on Angry Birds. Why is a pig floating? OMG. What's happening? What? Wait a second. What is that pig doing with the egg? Oh my goodness, guys. That pig is bouncing with an egg. Look, you see that? Dude, that pig is bouncing with an egg. Look, you see that right there, guys? Gonna fly. Look at this guy. He's so dumb. Oh, poor guy. Why is he screaming? Oops. Why is that pig floating? Oh, he just snapped. Should we kill him? There's an egg right there. Should we get it? Aim for the egg. Oh, wait, what? What's happening? What? I did not, what? I did not just mention that. The egg exploded. Was that a fake egg? Okay, that was weird. That thing. Is that a golden pig? OMG, oh god. Oh jeez. Alright, let's see what's happening here. Let's get these piggies popped. These piggies look so cute, but I'm sorry. Your life is gone. Your life is no eggs, okay? No eggs for you humans. Looks like there's an earthquake happening here. I mean, do they actually do they actually miss that? Let's get them. Pop the piggies. Can we pop the piggies? Yes, we can. OMG. Oh! These piggies are really hilarious, to be honest. But still no eggs for you, okay? Oh jeez. Oh my god, look at silver. The blues are actually the baddest. I mean, if the building's high seed, that's not the baddest. Look at that, that's actually pretty good. Oh jeez. What the fuck? Why the fly just happened? Okay. Let's use the chili and these new poppy piggies, and as you can see, they explode. They explode to their porcine. Okay, I just want to get rid of. Okay, I don't know what the fuck just happened. Why is my game glitching? With red? Oh. What the flip did red just? Guys, what's going on? Oh, there we go. Now it's working. Oh, jeez. Oh, it knocked him off. Oh, no, poor pig. I mean, he had it to actually. Oh, yeah, I shouldn't show my, my flock. This is how my flock looks like. What are these piggies doing? See that? Wait, what did I just press? What did I just press? Don't press play. Did I just press play? I just pressed play. Wow. No. If I quit the game, it's just gonna... what? That pig's back again. How? Oh, that's where the egg came from. Oh. Matilda, why did you do that? Yeah, shut up. Oh, look at him fly. Dude, let's try to get the egg back. Dude, we couldn't get it. Oh, wait, we knocked it over. Dude, the egg is still dancing. Oh, pause the game. The egg still exploded. And when I was like moving, the eggs just exploded. How? How is that impossible? OMG. Why is there another golden pig? OMG, this is good luck. What is Terrence doing? Bye, Terrence. Bye. Bye, Terrence. You have a good luck, okay? Down there. Ah, really? Kill him! Oh, man. Pop the piggies. Can we pop it? Pop the piggies. We can. There's actually a meme of Angry Birds. It's not like Bob the Builder, but like Hog. It's like Hog. What the flip? That pig just died all by itself. That's a cursed pig. Oh jeez. Oh my. Oh no. Oh shit. Dude, that just exploded. Wow. I'm glad for my hope. What the? Did you just see Matilda? She was. Oh jeez. The game was glitching out a little bit there. You guys see that? Wow. Okay. I don't know what the flip just happened right there. Red, don't press. Don't press. What did I just say? Wow. You loser, Red. But Terrence is the best. Ready, Terrence? You're doing this to me. Wait. Die, Terrence, because that building needs to fall. Yes, it's falling to my love. What? Oh my God, you're such a loser. Die. Finally, if you didn't die right there, I had to use my last word. And that is Bubbles. Here comes Bubbles. Oh look, that guy's sleeping. Sneaking on him. Oh jeez. Oh, let's just get. Oh yeah, I shouldn't press that. Wow, it's not now. You got to be kidding me! Why did I press that? All right, we're back. The ad just flew on this. Okay, and kill the bird. I mean, kill the pig. What did I just say? Kill the bird. Wow, I'm such an idiot. Oh my God, look at them. They're so happy. They're so freaking happy. You guys happy with your eggs? I mean, you guys don't have your eggs yet. Piggsley Land. We stopped at. Look how much levels I passed. Feathery Hills all the way to dude, I passed a lot of levels. All the way to level 322. What did I just say? Oh man, it said something else. Dude, I just said something else. Look, we have something here. Oh, collect 5 apples. Just got some gems. Let's open our common choice. Oh, we got 500 for that. OMG, $500. I mean, no, just kidding. 500. How? Oh my goodness. Leonard used to be my favorite, but he's not. I think Bubbles is the best one. Because then he just turns a little bit of a bubbly. Oh my God, is that Hal? What? Why will Blues wear that? Well, look, I'm almost done with this section of the hats. So I do have punk hats with everyone. So, Blues has a zombie hat, which is actually pretty cool. Look, here's a punk hat. That looks weird. the punk hat looks really weird. That one doesn't look too bad. Okay, and then this one. That's the strongest one, I think. I mean, my first Lana Jerry chest that I had was this one. Matilda has the. Matilda won the game because she has this. Look. I mean, I got it from the Tower of Fortune. So even block power. Look, see? 301. Because my birthday is so special. Oh my God, it's called tomato. Oh my God. It's on level 2, so. Basically, we have to end the video here. Look at these, so cute. So yeah, we're gonna have to end the game here, so. Yep, it's gonna be an end. Bye.